In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags in Asana. Managing tags effectively can really enhance your organization and clarify your workflow, making your tasks easier to track and categorize. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently edit your tags in Asana. Start by locating the task where your desired tag is. This is your first step in accessing the tag you want to edit. If you're navigating through your project list or even a personal task list, scan for the specific task that has the tag you're looking to modify. Once you've found it, click on the tag. This will open a list displaying all tasks associated with that specific tag, providing you with a clearer perspective of where and how that tag is currently being used within your projects. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a small caret icon nestled right next to the tag name. It's subtle, but pivotal for making further edits. Click on this caret icon, and it will present you with a drop-down menu designed specifically for tag management. This is where you can really take control over how your tags function within your workflow. You have a few options here that can really optimize how you work with tags. First, you can rename the tag. This is helpful if the context or purpose of the tag has evolved over time and you want its name to truly reflect its current use. A precise tag name can make finding related tasks in your busy schedule much easier. Another powerful feature found here is the ability to sync your tag with a calendar. This can be a game changer for anyone juggling multiple deadlines. With a calendar sync, tasks associated with the tag will automatically populate into your calendar. It's a seamless way to keep all your priorities in check and ensure that no task slips through the cracks. Printing the list of tasks under that tag is also an available option. If you prefer a hard copy or need a physical reference during meetings, this would be incredibly useful. A printed list can offer a tangible overview, which sometimes aids in strategic planning and brainstorming sessions. Finally, the color change option allows you to give the tag a fresh look by altering its color. Bright, distinct colors can visually differentiate tags, making your digital workspace a bit more intuitive and visually appealing. Choosing a specific color can also help in quickly identifying task categories at a glance. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered how to edit tags in Asana. A few simple steps can significantly enhance your task management, making your projects smoother and more efficient. Try these changes today and watch how they transform your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!